girls don't think about sunscreen for their hair ever. They think about sunscreen for their face or their arms or their hands, but they never think about for their hair. So I'm going to tell you a little secret of mine for something you can do at home to create something really special for yourself just for a sunscreen for hair. So this is what you do.
I didn't even know there was such a thing. Did you? Did you know you
I know.
sunscreen for your hair?
I think it's important, your hair and your scalp.
So school us, my friend, school us.
All right, so you take a little bit of organic coconut oil, and I'm gonna take, I guess maybe about a tablespoon of organic coconut oil. I feel like I'm a chef. My mom would be so proud of me because I am mixing up a little bit of magic in a bowl, right? Then after taking the coconut oil, I'm gonna use about a half of cup of water. And I'm gonna pour that in to my little mixture of coconut oil. And then I'm gonna take a lime. And then I'm gonna slice the lime. And you know, I'm not a cook. My husband, Jason, is a cook. So for me to be doing this
is a lot. Is a lot.
You could be making cocktails with me, Ted.
You know what I mean? Okay. And then I'm going to just squeeze just a little bit of the lime juice into my little concoction. I'm going to mix that up into as much as I can to create this kind of emulsion. And then after this emulsion, Rachel, I'm going to put it into the microwave.
Gotcha.
Now, I'm going to leave it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, just so that it kind of emulsifies. And then I'm going to transfer it over into a spray bottle. Now, I've already made my mixture for time's sake, and I'm putting it into a spray bottle already. Cool. So what I'm going to do for Gabrielle is I'm going to apply it directly to her hair and her scalp, making sure that it's completely saturated, just like so. Now, you can comb through it if you want to. I love to use a wide tooth comb to make sure that everything is saturated. But if you're on a time constraint, you don't have to do that. You can just spray it on and then voila. The other thing is that if you feel like that you aren't that same person that likes to make up a little concoction for yourself, you can always find products that have UV filters in them.
Wow.
So you want to look for ingredients for UV filter. This one specifically is Shooting Star Texture Meringue. I'm going to shake.
I love that stuff, Ted. I love that stuff. I love the meringue.
Thank you so much. And then I'm emulsifying it into my hands, and then I'm going to apply it directly to Gabrielle's hair, just like this. All right. So that's one trend. That trend and tip is really important for you girls who are going to the beach, or you're going to be out in the patio, wherever it is that you want to get a little bit of protection for your hair, especially you girls that color treat your hair. This is really important.